Hearty welcome to the participants of Bengaluru region to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us have a quick look at the course content. Managing files and folders, Introduction to MS Word, Preparing PowerPoint presentation with narrations and converting the same to video, Slicing videos, Uploading video on YouTube, Preparing online quiz, Preparing interactive worksheets using free open software, Preparing audio files using free open software, Storing and sharing the resources prepared, and documenting all content online through Blogger. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSEE, a project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSSEE team for creating an URL for us and allowing us to use their website platform for training Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers. The self-learning contents of the course are presented in the form of videos. You have to log in and register and view the contents. In this video, you will learn how to log in, then how to register and view the contents. Let us start. Open https://kvszetrg.fossee.in. The website will open. Please note down the website kvszetrg.fossee.in. Being a new user, click New User Sign Up. One registration page will open. Registration. Select one username conveniently. Give a valid email ID so that a link will be sent to it for activating your account. Choose a password. Confirm the password. Give your first name. Give your last name. In the roll number, you please enter your employee code. In the institute, please enter your Kendriya Vidyalaya name. In the department, you enter KVS. In the position, you please enter your designation. In roll number, your employee code. In institute, name of your Kendriya Vidyalaya. In department, KVS. And in position, enter your designation. PGT with subject or TGT with subject or PRT, HM, whatever may be. Then click register to register for the course. You will receive one email ID in the email provided by you in the registration. Webmaster Yaksh email verification. Click it. You have to activate by clicking the link given over there. Then your login account will be activated in Yaksh platform. This to be done within 20 minutes. Account activation will be verified. Click home. Now with your credentials, that is your username and password, you can log in into kvszetrg.fossee.in. Login. It will take you to a page with all courses listed out. Be careful. Please don't enroll for this Yaksh demo course. Do not enroll for this Yaksh demo course. You have to enroll for the course created, designed for Bengaluru region. For that, in the search box, type Bengaluru. This is case sensitive. Please type Bengaluru in all small letters and click search. It will take you to online course on designing e-resources by Bengaluru region. You have to enroll for this course. Therefore, click enroll. Now enroll in online course on designing e-resources Bengaluru region by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Here there are two courses once again, but remember you have to start only the online course on designing e-resources by Bengaluru region. Click start. Again it will take you to online course on designing e-resources Bengaluru region. Now click start to enter the course. In this course, the lessons are given in order in the left side, one below the other. This is the introduction given. Now all the lessons are given in the left side in order. Now, by clicking this icon, you can make it into a full page. There is some introduction given, read it, and then click start to enter the lessons. Now you can see lesson number 1, managing files and folders. There is some introduction given, followed by a video embedded. Every lesson, introduction given, followed by a video. Please click it and watch the video, because quiz and assignments will be based on these videos only. After this, you click next to go to the lesson number 2. You have to see the lessons in order only. Suppose some of you are interested to jump. That is, I want to see this lesson sharing videos online directly. It will not allow you. You have not completed previous lesson, therefore you have to go back. You have to start and you have to go back to lesson number 2. Therefore, if you want to see lesson number 3, you should have seen lesson number 1 and 2. If you want to see lesson number 5, you should have seen lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4. Please go in order. One more request, please don't try to see all the lessons at the same time. That is, don't see them at a stretch. Please read them or see them the lessons in order, because your quiz and assignments will be based on these lessons in order. For example, quiz number 1 will be based on lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Quiz number 2 will be based on lesson number 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Therefore, for your quiz and assignments, please see them in order. In a leisurely way, you see it and then learn it. Okay friends, happy learning. If you have any doubt, you can call us. Thank you.